Remember 2020? Yeah, it feels like yesterday, but it just fudged me up so badly. Before 2020, I actually was so extroverted, so confident in talking to people and talking to girls as well. But as time went on, I just started to lose it. I lost all the touches I had with reality, and I just became this weird zombie that didn't know how to function as a human. As stuff started to open back up, I didn't. I stayed the same loser zombie that I did in 2020, not talking to anyone for like 2 years, however long it was. And now I feel like I'm just starting to get back to normal. And there's some things I learned along the way of being extroverted before and now just starting to be more out there and push myself more. Because before I couldn't even break the ice for the life of me. Like, I would see people who I knew before, like my old friends and stuff, and I just couldn't talk to them. So I'd be like this weird person that was alone but knew everyone at the same time. It's okay to be an introvert, but it's not okay to want to talk to someone or have the opportunity to talk to someone and not want to utilize that opportunity, not want to make the most out of the people that are around you, you know? And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing things that I've learned recently in my life and giving it to you because I needed a video like this 1 or 2 years ago during 2020 when I couldn't talk to anyone for the life of me. So if you like the environment I am, like that I'm sitting on this nice log, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day to share things with you that I've learned. And I don't think I have all the answers to life, but I feel like I'm getting to that point, you know? And I feel like one of the reasons why I couldn't talk to anyone in 2020 was because I care about people that I didn't even want in my life. So really make sure you're not just acting in certain ways to please the people that you don't care about. And also when I was super introverted and couldn't talk to anyone, I was staying inside the whole time. So like obviously I wouldn't be able to talk to anyone because I'm not going outside and talking to people. So that's something I also needed to do. Go outside every single day. And I'm doing it right now. It's honestly amazing. I've seen some people, I said, hi, how's it going? It's such a great mindset to have, and just being outside for 10 minutes, like we're supposed to be outside. We're not supposed to be in some cave watching a million videos, playing video games. We're not supposed to be doing those things. And the more we can be outside in the nice sun, getting the testosterone, health benefits, talking to people you see as well, it's priceless. So go outside anytime you can. And the way I've been building it up more and more as 2020 happened, I've just been practicing and did some more practicing. And then after I finished that practice, I did some more practice. Practice speaking to people, practice talking to people. You might feel like it's a weird or cringe thing to do, but it's something you need to do, especially if you feel like talking to people is kind of a scary thing. And it was a constraint that I had for so long in my life. And as soon as I finally specialized myself to talk to people, I just felt way better about my life. I instantly felt so much progress. Instead of thinking about how to do better marketing or some random books about business or making money that I didn't even need to learn about, if I just talked to people, then I would be able to do the marketing things or whatever I wanted to do in my life. I don't even know why I was reading marketing books. So practice, go outside every day, talk to someone, say hi to the people you see on the way, to walking to some nice forest place, nice park. And the more you do this, the more better you're going to be with talking to people, and the less likely you're going to have some socially awkward moment. And I still have socially awkward moments sometimes, because one time I was at here like a week ago or something, and then it was getting dark, so you couldn't really see anything. And as I was walking home, I could see someone that I thought I knew. I thought it was my friend from school, and then I go like this. I say like, "What's up?" Because I saw him the other day, the same place, just walking. Like I didn't even expect to see him. And I thought, I was like, oh, what a coincidence. How funny is that? And I was like, like, what's up? What are you doing here? And then he doesn't do anything. He's just sitting there. I thought he was like, I was about to dab him up or something. And then I look at his eyes and it's not him. It's some random mother fricker that I just saw pass by me, and he's probably thinking I'm the craziest person in my life. And I'm just thinking to myself, I'm such a dummy, bro. Like, why did I do that? And then I literally jog home for the rest of the time because I just want to get out of there. And the thing is, like, I do mess up talking to people. I do have those socially awkward moments, but being able to accept those and not beat yourself up about them and just see them in a funny way. Because, I've said, like, have a day good instead of have a good day to people and stuff. But just be fine with doing it. Like, it's going to happen. You're going to mess up. And as long as you're okay with it and actually can laugh about it, make a joke about it, you're going to get so much further in life. The next thing that put myself out there more and I was able to be more confident and extroverted was joining sports teams in my school. The fact that I play soccer now and lacrosse, it gives me so much confidence. Not only am I surrounded by 20 people and you have to call for the ball, you have to actually want to score, you have to want to do things. You're naturally going to be friends around the people that you're with. So imagine having 20 extra friends on your soccer team, on the lacrosse team. You're naturally going to get better at talking to people. Like, I swear, if you just surround yourself, go in environments where people are, you're just going to get better at talking. There's, like, no way you're not going to be less introverted or have more confidence to talk to people. It's impossible for that to not happen. It's impossible to go outside, go to public places, sign up for sports teams or clubs, go to cool places and talk to people you see there, and not get more social, not level up your social skills. It's literally impossible. So if you do anything, it's better than doing nothing. And the last mindset I want to share with you really changed the way I viewed my life and just talking to people in general. And that's, if you had the opportunity to talk to someone, do it. So many times I would be in school and it'd just be dead quiet. Nobody's caring about anything. Everyone's on their phone, doing something else, watching some random YouTube video, I don't know. And the class is just all quiet. And I could just be one of them. I could also just go on my phone and scroll or something. Or I can just talk to someone that's next to me. Because like the people I sit around, like I know them. I could just talk to them for 5 minutes before the bell rings. And that's what I've really been trying to do. Just, if there's someone near you, talk to them. Say hi, at least. Acknowledge their presence. You're going to get so much out of life if you do that. And I really hope you can think about this. So if you want to have an opportunity to talk to people right now, join the like-minded club in the description, because there's hundreds of people like us that want to get better, want to change, want to improve their social skills. And you can talk to one of them. You could even talk to me. I'm in there too, bro. It's lit. Use the opportunity that you have right now. Join that like-minded club in the description. Talk to someone right now. You can literally talk to someone in 1 minute and level up your social skills. This is how I actually know you're able to take action and actually want to stop being introverted. Stop being this lazy bum that doesn't want to do anything in their life, constantly plays video games and stuff. And if you want to know how I stopped watching so much YouTube, so much video games, all of those things, quit all of my bad habits pretty much, click that video in the description as well to see how I stopped watching YouTube and applied it to other areas in my life. Like, I don't even watch YouTube anymore. How crazy is that? And I don't even relapse. I don't even play video games. I don't do any of that BS. That's just wasted so many people's lives. And now I just replace that with talking to people and, sitting here chilling. So I hope you can think about this the next time you're kind of lonely and use this more to your ability. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you. Peace. All right, now how am I going to get down? All right, we're good. See ya. Take care. Yes, it's still filming.